Medicines play a crucial role in modern healthcare, helping to prevent, treat, and manage a wide range of diseases and conditions. The development of new medicines relies heavily on the use of chemistry, as scientists work to understand the chemical structures of compounds and how they interact with the body. In this article, we will explore the role of chemistry in the development and use of medicines. Chemical structures of medicines. The chemical structure of a medicine plays a critical role in its ability to interact with the body and produce a therapeutic effect. Most medicines are composed of small molecules that are designed to interact with specific proteins or enzymes in the body, altering their function and producing a therapeutic effect. To develop new medicines, chemists use a variety of techniques to study the chemical structure of compounds and how they interact with the body. This process involves synthesizing new compounds, testing their effectiveness in vitro and in vivo, and refining their chemical structures to optimize their therapeutic properties. One common approach to drug discovery involves screening large libraries of compounds to identify those that have the desired therapeutic effect. Once a potential compound is identified, chemists will work to refine its chemical structure to improve its effectiveness, reduce its toxicity, and enhance its pharmacokinetic properties. Pharmacokinetics and drug metabolism. Pharmacokinetics is the study of how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body. The pharmacokinetic properties of a drug play a critical role in determining its effectiveness and toxicity. To understand the pharmacokinetic properties of a drug, chemists must study its chemical structure and how it is metabolized by the body. This process involves identifying the enzymes and pathways that are involved in the metabolism of the drug, as well as studying the effects of factors such as age, gender, and disease state on its pharmacokinetics. Drug metabolism is the process by which the body breaks down and eliminates drugs. The liver is the primary organ responsible for drug metabolism, and it uses a variety of enzymes to convert drugs into metabolites that can be eliminated from the body. Understanding drug metabolism is critical for determining the appropriate dosing of a drug and minimizing the risk of toxicity. Chemists can use their knowledge of drug metabolism to design drugs that are metabolized more slowly, reducing the risk of toxicity and increasing their effectiveness. Drug interactions and adverse effects. Chemical interactions between drugs can have a significant impact on their effectiveness and toxicity. When two or more drugs are taken together, they can interact with each other in a variety of ways, altering their pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic properties. Adverse drug reactions, ADRs, are unintended and harmful effects of a drug that occur at doses normally used for treatment. ADRs can range from mild to severe and can occur as a result of drug interactions, genetic factors, or other factors that affect drug metabolism and distribution. To minimize the risk of ADRs, chemists must understand the chemical interactions that occur between drugs and how they can affect pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. This process involves studying the chemical structures of drugs and how they interact with each other, as well as developing new drug delivery systems and dosage forms that can minimize the risk of ADRs. In summary, chemistry plays a critical role in the development and use of medicines. Chemists use their knowledge of chemical structures and interactions to develop new drugs that are effective, safe, and well tolerated. They also study the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic properties of drugs to determine the appropriate dosing and minimize the risk of toxicity. While the development of new medicines is a complex and